applying facts and information to given situations. That is the phrase printed on the NYS Court Officer Trainee, JG16. Notice, exam 45-857. Here is what it actually asks of you. Here you get a short policy or procedure, then a situation, and you apply the rule to the facts. The wrong answers are built cleverly. Each one usually satisfies most of the rule, but breaks exactly one clause. If you check the whole rule as one blurry impression, those answers slip past. The fix is to break the rule into a checklist and test every part. In the next few minutes, the technique, step by step, and then the 4 ways people lose points on it. First, turn the policy into a numbered checklist. Read the policy and list every separate condition it contains, especially the numeric edges: times, deadlines, ages, dollar amounts, counts, at least, no more than, within. Each of these is a clause on your checklist. Getting them out of the paragraph and into a list is half the work. Second, read the situation against the list, one clause at a time. Now take the situation and check it against each clause in turn. Does this fact meet clause 1, clause 2? Keep the checks separate. The whole design of this section is that a correct decision often depends on combining 2 or more clauses, so you cannot stop at the first one that matches. Third, eliminate any answer that violates one clause. Test each answer, choice clause by clause. The moment a choice breaks even one clause, it is out. One violation is enough. This is where careful readers win. The tempting distractor is right about everything except a single number or a single within X hours, and that single miss disqualifies it. Fourth, watch the boundary numbers. Pay special attention to edges. Is it more than 3 or 3 or more? Before 5 p.m. or by 5 p.m.? The exam loves situations that land exactly on the line. Reread the exact wording of the clause and match it to the exact fact before you decide. Now the other half, and it is the half most people skip. These are the 4 ways this ability is actually lost, not by not knowing, but by answering the question next to the one on the page. First, judging an answer on overall vibe instead of testing it against every clause. Second, stopping at the first clause that matches and missing a second condition that also had to be met. Third, misreading a boundary, treating more than as or more, or before as by. Fourth, picking the answer that is right on 4 points and wrong on 1, because the single violation was easy to overlook. Every one of those is a habit, which means every one of them is fixable by drilling rather than by studying harder. Reading about a technique is not the same as owning it, and this one only transfers under a clock. Free practice for applying facts and information to given situations is at dutyrank.com/courtofficer, with the reasoning shown on every answer. DutyRank is an independent study product and is not affiliated with any government agency.